you can be arrested.
Can I walk down there?
No.
Have you got proof?
Yeah, myself and a colleague will provide the proof. People in the police car.
What's happened here?
Why didn't you jump out in front of the police
You ran in
car?
front of the police car with your arms waving, and I'm not going to debate that because I saw it happen, and it was on a main road, which is a serious collision route. Therefore, I've made the requirement. Do you wish to provide your name and address?
No.
Okay.
I almost saw a major collision between your two vehicles.
Well, then you have a right to make a complaint about the manner of driving of police vehicles. That's not a problem whatsoever. But at the moment, if you fail to leave the area, you will be
I can't leave.
arrested. The area that you need to leave will be provided to you on this map. You can walk away.
No, I'm not walking.
Well, then you'll be arrested, and then you will be able to leave because you'll be taken in the police car.
What's the charge?
It's not a charge; it's a direction to leave. This is Hogwood Farm.
I live in
You are
Cheltenham.
here. You need to remove yourself from this area
I
immediately.
can't drive.
It doesn't matter. You can walk.
No, I'm
You
not
can
walking.
Okay. So you're refusing to leave the area. In that case, you're now under arrest. You're refusing a direction to leave under Section 35 of the Antisocial Behaviour Crime and Policing Act 2014. You do not have to say anything that may harm your defence if you fail to mention when questions you bring which you later rely on in court, and anything that you do say may be given in evidence.
Are you going to do me for stealing? Oh no, he wants to do his pen.
Okay. Police car, please. No need for handcuffs.
Oh, I'm dangerous.
It's up to you. I don't want to use force to handcuff you. I don't see a reason at the moment. But if I have to, I will. So at the moment, we're in the road.
Can I
It's not
smoke
safe.
marijuana in your car?
No. Hopefully you haven't got any on you. That would be bad.
Why's he been asked to leave?
Because I was in the road.
What's that? What's okay?
I was in the road, and then the police car drove past.
move on.
Yeah. What's that got to do with it?
Which police station are you taking me to?
Oh, it's bad.
Where's Lemon Tree Spa?
Like 10 miles down the road.
All right.
Right. See you Monday.
Well, it has been 3 months.
Why don't we resolve this now?
I'm not walking.
It's
What?
resolved. The lady's under arrest. So.
I haven't seen you place her under arrest yet.
Okay.
So you're not under arrest at the moment.
But
I wouldn't listen to. I'd listen to what you heard me saying rather than.
well, I'd rather listen to him. than
Okay.
you.
Are you going to get into the police car of your own volition or not? If you don't, I will use force to put you in the police car.
Oh,
This is ridiculous.
what for?
Excuse me, could I ask
Are
a
they dropping
question?
you home? No. Take me to the police station.
Excuse me, sir.
Not
I
at
ask
the
a
moment. Not at the
question?
moment, because I'm just dealing with this matter.
What's the question, Jack?
Well, the
Which
question
matter? Are you
was,
going to
what's
get into the
this?
police
What's
station?
this lady done?
Well, she was
What's
apparently
done wrong? I want.
apparently she was in the road when the police car went past.
Refusing to answer that question. So I'll place you.
Say it's like it's like some mock episode of The Bill or something. You just like,
Anything to say before you go? Make sure it's soy milk.
With regards to
I'm
yourself
just
as
saying-
well,
oh, shut up.
you're also being given a direction to leave under Section 35 of the Antisocial Behaviour Crime and Policing Act 2014 due to your actions on the other side of the farm. Are you happy to leave?
Do just
And follow
remember
the
to
order.
do just remember to tell him about
The
police
order's
officer
got my
that
collar
assaulted
number.
you.
Yeah.
The order's got my collar
Where
number
is
on
he?
it.
The guy, I can't.
I'm requiring you to leave immediately, whether you listen to me or not. That's entirely up to you. Are you going to leave the area as shown within the boundary of the map designated in black?
Why don't you make me a cup of tea?
Well, no, it doesn't
I'm
work
not
like
looking at
that.
the map. I don't want to look at the map.
Are you going
Are you
to
refusing
leave?
to leave?
Are you going to leave with?
You'll need a copy of the map so that you know where to be.
Where's your colleague that manhandled me? The rest of them are unarrested.
One of them's been arrested. One of them's been arrested. I'm not going to say their name because I'm videoing. No, this one has a direction to leave, and if she doesn't, she'll get arrested as well. They're in the car, Ray. In the car.
And a copy of the map. Are you going to leave forthwith?
Leave what?
Say again?
Leave where? Leave what?
Leave the area.
I'm leaving there.
No, it's on the map. Quarter of a mile in each direction.
What's the reason for wanting me to leave?
Because we fear crime and disorder. You've already shown around the back.
Fear?
Yeah. We suspect there might be more if you stay.
More what? We haven't caused any crime.
No.
Trespass is not a crime.
What was the crime?
We fear there may be crime and disorder, and we're requiring you to leave.
On what basis are you at? On what basis are you fearing that?
Are you going to leave? Are you going
What
to
basis do you
I will
have?
arrest you now if you do not leave forthwith.
Under what section?
Ask her,
Are you
Jen.
going to leave? Are you going to leave? No, you can't, because the area of the dispersal is on the map here. So I will use a power of arrest.
For what? What?
Failing to leave the dispersal zone when required to.
Based on what? Why are you asking me to? Specifically me? Why?
Because of what's gone on. There's your
What's gone
copy.
on? What do you mean
Trespass.
What's gone on?
Which is not a criminal matter.
What do you mean what's gone on? What's gone on?
Are you
What
going,
do you mean what's gone
Are
on?
you going to leave?
You're asking me, you're giving me an order, I'm asking you, on what
Are you going to leave
basis
or
are
not?
you telling me to leave? Why? Why?
Quite clear on the form.
Why?
It's a notice of direction to leave, section 35, antisocial behaviour, crime and policing act.
Based on what
2014.
reason? Based on what reason?
We require you to leave. Are you going to leave?
You need a reason to ask her to leave. Just giving her an order to leave is not a reason to ask her to leave.
Are you going to leave?
Basis are you issuing a section?
What reason?
Are you
What
going
reason
to
are you
leave?
asking me to leave?
Are you going to leave?
What reason are you
I need a yes
asking
or a
me
no,
to
and
leave?
if you do not answer, I will take it as a no.
Well, she needs to know the full facts before she can make that decision. You're not giving her any facts.
I have a power. I've described why.
No, you haven't described why. You've said for fear that some crime may go on, but there hasn't been any crime go on yet, so you're not basing that on any evidence.
Are you going to leave?
She needs to know the full facts of before she makes that decision.
I don't understand what reason you're asking me.
Well, that's because he won't tell you.
No, you won't.
Are you going to leave? I'm going to place hands on you. I'm going to arrest you for failing to leave. I don't want to say anything. I'm going to venture a question, something which you later rely on at court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence, okay? So come with me, please. Well, are you going to come quiet?
Can you get my bag? Can you get my bag?
Which bag is it?
This rucksack.
What colour is it?
Yes. Which one is it?
Give it to them.
Do you not want to take it?
No.
Give the bag to Lulu.
Can you wait there? Can you wait there? Can you wait there? Can you wait there? Can you wait there?
You want my number?
What station is she being taken to?
Will you come quietly?
I'm not going to bloody run. Please stop moving. Stop
Are you
it.
going to come compliantly?
Stop it.
Okay, let's go.
Stop it.
What police station has she been taken to, please?
Jenny, do you want that with my number on? Call us.
Can you ask him what station you've been taken to,
which
please?
station? Which
We're going to
station?
Leamington Spa.
Call me if you need a lift or anything, okay?
Yeah. Thanks.
Can you ask him why he has reasonable suspicion that you'll cause crime?
What reason are you doing this? What reason?
So you've asked several times now, and he's not provided you with any answer.
I'm not going to discuss it here.
No, he won't discuss it. See, he's just arresting you without discussing it.
What reason?
He won't tell you. See, he's arrested you without giving you the proper reason.
Please, can you give me a reason?
All she wants to know is why you think she's going to cause a crime when there's been no evidence of that so far.
It's your bag, madam.
Is that yours? Is that all your property?
Can you leave it with my friend, please?
I'll take it.
You happy with that?
You happy with that?
Can you unlock it and just move it out of the yard?
Thanks. It's got everything. I'm giving a lift to a friend.
You have to get the kit in the boot as well.
Can you give me the reason why, please? Can you give me the reason why?
I have explained.
Can you give the reason why, please? Why you've arrested me, please?
What crime do you think she's going to commit?
I thought it was all cool back then.
He won't say.
I was on public highway, so just here.
Tell her why she's failing. Tell her why she's failing to leave.
To leave under what?
He won't tell her what crime she's likely to commit.
Under what reason?
You've declined to take
What reason? I haven't.
Under what evidence under section 35 then? Under what evidence based on section 35? You said you were arrested under section 35 based on what evidence?
No answer again.
I got the whole thing on film. I just asked him to go. What about an area ban?
If I was to leave now and take my friend home,
I gave you a reasonable amount of time. I asked you many times. And you declined.
Well, she has to you many times.
I didn't get the information.
Just want to get in the car.
I didn't get the information.
You've asked me to take my hands off you because you'll come compliantly. Can you please get in the car?
Can you de-arrest her, please, so she can go?
Just get in the car, please.
I'll agree to go. I'll agree to go. I'm a friend. I'm giving a lift to. I'll agree to go now.
There's other people here now that are relying on her for a lift.
Yeah.
Can you get in the car, please?
I'll agree to go. Please.
Get in the car, please.
Can you de-arrest her, please, so she can go?
Can you get in the car, please? I will put hands on you again if you don't get in the car.
Can you actually let me go now?
And if you're struggling for room, I can put it
How am I going to get there? How am I going to
I'll sort that.
Can you get in the car around that backside?
We'll see you there.
Sorry, madam.
We'll come down and see you.
Cheers, thank you.
just said he's arresting her for not leaving. That's what he said.
Well, that's, yeah, he can arrest her for he can arrest her for not leaving, but what he hasn't done is describe why she's directed to leave.
That's what they always do, man. Got the whole thing footage.
She's hot in there, man.
I can't do the window.
What do you have to say about this so far?
That's just not fair.
Yeah.
The door, please.
She's hot in there, there's no air conditioning.
Okay, I'll get in, I'll turn that on, we'll have a conversation, okay?
Okay. Got an unmarked car here as well, look.
I just did that too. I said I'll buy a super bag.
Does she have to give a name? She's under arrest, yeah. 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 Mm. Yes, you've been arrested. Yeah.
I may well arrest you for obstructing police, okay? Please don't do that.
Well, she's asking for legal advice.
Well, she can have that at the police station.
Well, she's asking for it now. She's not at the police station.
Please don't open that door again, okay? That's
Well,
that's a
can
simple-
you open the window for her then,
No,
please?
No, no, no.
So she can't accept
She's
legal
under
advice.
arrest.
Yeah, I know she's under arrest. That's why she needs legal advice.
Please don't open that door again.
Can you open
We're
the
not-
window
no,
for her, please?
No,
So you're refusing to give her legal advice?
it's not like that.
Oh, I'm just asking.
I'm trying to have a conversation with the lady.
Yeah.
To try
Are you going to try and de-arrest
I'm trying
her?
to sort this out, but I don't need
Okay.
interference and the door opening because that just stops
But I've
it
just
all.
helped you as well, because now she's going to give you a name. So I've helped.
Can I possibly have the lady's bag back, please, so I can hand it back to her?
Is that what she's asked for?
That's what she's asked for.
Want your bag?
Thank you.
Oh, no.
Was that yours as well? Okay.
What's happening to her now, please?
You'll see in a minute. We're trying to move this forward in an adult way.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. They're going to take her. Why else would she ask for her bag back? Because they're not searching it. I thought when he said deal with it in an adult way that he was going to de-arrest her.
Yeah, me too.
So he's still not given a reason for arrest?
No. Well, he's arrested her because she's failed to leave the area, but what he hasn't done is told her why she needs to leave the area. He's not provided enough evidence.
He said section 35, but under what clause of section 35? And based on what evidence?
Got him.
You know what you're shaking your head at?
The waste of police time, probably.
Well, the smell's horrendous, isn't it?
Yeah. There's a supporter.
Dog in the back and babies.
Is she alright?
So far. Don't say. Told you, that's dealing with it in adult fashion, is it?
Problem will be outnumbering them, so that's get even.